Hey there, my name is Roxy, and I want to welcome you to my channel. On this channel, we are learning all things how to make money online, digital marketing, digital products, how to use Canva, how to market yourself, email marketing. So, I just want to welcome you all to learning how to make online money the halal way and the easiest way, especially if you are a working mom working a 9 to 5, a stay at home mom, whatever your situation is, as long as you have a phone and you have internet service, there is a way that you can monetize on social media. So I hope you can join me on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment as to what is something that you want to see on this channel or what is something you want to learn. And hopefully, I can make these videos help you out as soon as possible. All right, see you guys on my videos. Bye.